Read with me. This is Sahih al-Bukhari. This is what? This is Sahih al-Bukhari. Muhammad, he received Quran in a sound of a bell. They asked him, how you receive Quran, Prophet? How the revelation come to you? He said, sometime it come to me as the following. Comes to me with the voice which resemble the sound of a ringing bell. And when this happened, stayed upon me, which means this guy, he faint, he go crazy. Obviously, he's mentally ill. You can ask any doctor about hearing such a noise. Now, Muhammad, he received a sound of a bell. Tararan, tararan. Tararan, tararan. How the bell sound become Arabic? Are you with me? It confirmed that the Quran never was in Arabic. The Quran was given to Muhammad as a sound of a bell. Then how Muhammad was able to transform the sound of the bell into a sound of Arabic language? The answer is very easy. It is obvious that the first one who developed the Morse code, it was Prophet of Allah, or maybe Allah. So maybe in one hand Allah gave him sound of a bell, same time he gave him the code to open the meaning. What you heard, this was a verse number 1 from the chapter of the cow. It says, based on the code, the cow, she said, she is hot and she is waiting for a male ox. So Allah, he sent the sound of a bell. Muhammad, you don't even know Arabic. You do not know how to write his name. And now Muhammad, he received a sound of a bell, and then he speak it to us in Arabic. So what Muhammad he received is jungle bells, jungle bells. What Muhammad he said to the Muslims, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-Saytanur Rahim. Mentally ill. And that explained to us who is Muhammad. Obviously, he have a mental illness. And actually, the hadith confirmed 100 of times that Muhammad is suffering from mental illness, to the point he keep fainting. Why he faint? Why he faint when he received revelation? Why?